Skill number 8. Donning and removing PPE, personal protective equipment, gown and gloves, supplies needed, yellow isolation gown, 1 pair of gloves, critical element steps. Before removing gown, with one gloved hand, grabs the other glove at the palm, remove glove. Slip fingers from ungloved hand underneath the cuff of remaining glove at wrist and remove glove, turning it inside out as it is removed. Wash my hands, grab your gown. You are outside the room. Do not shake the gown. Hold the gown and check to see, make sure there's no holes. Put one arm through in at a time. Tie the neck strings. And then the waist. Make sure that you overlap the back, covering your uniform. Grab one string at a time. Hold the gown so it won't open. Make sure you're covered all the way to your knee. Now grab the gloves. Make sure there's no holes. Put one glove at a time. Make sure the glove overlaps the cuff of the gown. Make sure it's very well tucked in so you will not be exposed. Once you're completely covered, you could enter the room. Knock, knock. Pause and enter. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm a student CNA. May I please check your wristband? Hello, Ms. Smith. I will be doing a procedure on you today. Let's check, make sure your bed is locked, curtain closed. For privacy, perform your procedure once you've finished. We're all done. Here's your overhead table and call light. Bed is still locked. Would you like your curtain closed? Keep it closed or open? Open. Okay, we'll open it up. Now you're complete. Stay in the patient's room. You will remove your gown and your gloves inside the patient's room. Do not stand next to the patient. Be at the foot of the bed where the door is. Now you're going to remove your gloves first. The contaminated area are outside the gloves. Your gown, the clean areas are inside the gloves, inside the gown, and the strings of the neck and the back. Remove your gloves first. What you're going to do is going to pull the glove where your wrist is exposed. Then with that gloved hand, you're going to grab the other glove at the palm and pull it out. Make a ball. With your exposed hand with 2 fingers, you could go inside the glove without contaminating yourself, touching only inside the glove. Dispose it in the trash. Now you're going to remove your gown. Start with the strings. You're going to remove the string on the back first, the waist level, only touching the strings. Then the neck. Then you will take 2 fingers, go inside the sleeve, cover your hand. Remember, inside of the gown is clean. That's why we are using 2 fingers to go inside. Now you're able to touch the gown outside. without contaminating yourself. You're gonna grab the arm, remove it. With the exposed hand, go inside the gown. And be careful not to drop it on the floor, and fold the gown, touching only inside of the gown. Do not shake, and fold it not all the way in order to prevent touching outside the gown, and you will dispose it in the trash. Wash my hands, and now you're ready to exit the room. Report and record.